want to start, though, is talking with two old friends of the show. Well, they're not old people, but they're old friends. David Daggett and Griff Shuler from the law firm of Daggett Shuler. Welcome, gentlemen.
Hey, Jim.
Good to see you again.
One's older than the other.
Yeah. Griff is like 20. He's still a soccer.
But we both have gray hair.
Yeah, that's right. I don't. Mine's jet black. Okay, what are you laughing at? Now, what we want to talk about is something kind of neat, and it's something that helps kids, and it's something you guys have been doing for a long time, and that is this backpack program. Tell me when it started, how long you've been doing it, and what is it?
So I'm trying to think back because it seems like it's just part of what we do. It's part of our culture. We have a back-to-school backpack program that we partner with the Winston-Salem Police Department and the school system. We've been doing it, I think, 9 years now.
Well, why was it needed to begin with?
Well, the reason it's needed, and you're going to get me both emotional and philosophical, is we have a lot of young kids in our community that at the very start of the school year, they're handicapped. Research shows the very start of the school year can be the most consequential time in a person's life.
Sure.
If we start them on the upswing, they stay on the upswing. You start them on the downswing, they stay on the downswing. So what we're trying to do is our little part to help that upswing. We've been so pleased that the Winston-Salem Police Department comes, they go to the schools with us, and we wrap some community encouragement and support around this.
Well, Griff, how many of these do you give out usually in a year, and what's in them?
Yeah, so it's about 250 backpacks over 5 schools, 5 elementary schools, and we have everything that is on the school list for the students in the backpack. We've got all the
so hold your back up just a
pencil,
little
crayons.
bit there. Yeah, that's
well,
kind of neat.
our supplies haven't all come in yet. Yep. They're coming in like every day, so these are half stuffed, not fully
those are
stuffed.
both neat, and they come in all different colors. You've got a blue in there, or
well, what we did, there's 6 different colors. They're not logoed, so we don't stigmatize which kids get the backpacks.
Right.
In addition to the school system, we also work with the YMCA with their Bright Beginnings program.
Right.
And for us, it's one program, but in logistics, it's 2 programs.
Yeah, but how do you determine who gets them?
So we work with the school system and the school counselors to identify those kids that don't have the resources to get that boost for a good start that we talked about earlier.
Yeah, so as long as you guys have been doing this, Griff, what kind of feedback do you normally get from teachers, administrators, parents, students? What do you get?
I think one of the things that we enjoy the most is we get to go to the actual schools with the officers from the Winston-Salem Police Department. We get to meet and actually talk to the teachers and the administrators right before the students arrive. So that's when we're able to get them the backpacks. And when we talk to them, they say that it makes a tremendous impact on these students. We're talking about folks that literally, if they did not have these backpacks, they would not be able to get the school supplies and the backpacks they need to even start the school year out.
And then they're at a real disadvantage. Before we run out of time real quickly, why is this important to the whole community? Even if somebody's watching this and says, well, I like Daggett and Shuler, everything, these guys are nice, but I don't have any kids in school.
Well, this is the future of our communities. And what we are building is stronger communities for their future. It's actually selfish. It helps all of us going forward for our future. I also want to mention to the parents and kids, it's pretty anonymous where they came from.
Yeah.
So
you guys don't even put your logo on them or anything.
That was very intentional
I
when
just
we
think
started the program.
that's what a great public service you guys are doing. Up on screen, DaggettShulerLaw.com is the general website. You can call 724-1234 if you should need the help of these gentlemen and their great team. And I say great team because not only what they do in their profession, but mainly what they do in the community. And you just saw one of the examples, like not putting their name on the backpacks that are so needed. Guys, I appreciate it. You going to hang around for the roundtable?
Sure.
All right.
Thanks, Jim.
Griff. We'll be right back after this.